square root of 5% of 5 square root of 5 equals question mark. Okay, so the choices 0.05, 0.25, 0.5, 2.5, and 25. Okay, so let's solve this. The meaning of percent is divided by 100. Okay, so we have square root of 5%. That means square root of 5 over 100. And then of means multiplication. So times 5 square root of 5. Okay, so let's simplify this. Square root of 5 times 5 times square root of 5. So let's just multiply the numerator. So this will be equal to, so just copy the denominator, 100. And then square root of 5 times another square root of 5. So that means square root of 5 squared. Okay? And then just copy this 5. So let's simplify. Square root of 5 squared, we can cancel the radical, the square root, and then the square. So therefore, what is left is 5 times 5, and then just copy the denominator, 100. So let's multiply the numerator 5 times 5, that is equal to 25 over 100. And then we convert to percent. 25 over 100, that is equal to 25%. But our choices in decimal form. So if we convert this to decimal, 25 over 100, that is equal to 0.25. Because this is 25 hundreds. So in decimal, 25 hundreds or 0.25. So the correct answer is letter B, 0.25. Follow for more.